What do I need to do to qualify for traditional financing? It is possible to transition from subprime to traditional financing. Since traditional lenders generally approve borrowers with better credit histories, here are a few steps you can take to improve your credit and move on to traditional financing. Get a secured credit card. This will help you establish enough credit for you to qualify to make larger purchases on credit and build your credit history. Keep your credit card balances low. Experts at the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau advise keeping your use of credit at no more than 30% of your total credit limit. Make on-time monthly payments on your subprime financing. Since credit acceptance reports to the 3 major credit bureaus, paying on time can help you build a good credit history. Visit our website today to learn more about how you can start your credit approval and improve your credit.